Imagine yourself in this Ford 2016 F-150 Lariat crew cab pickup. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include voice-activated navigation, Equipment Group 501A mid, FX4 off-road package, Lariat Sport Appearance package, trailer tow package, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.